Guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my nails. Well, I'm gonna be doing my nails here, as you can see. So I got these nails from Family Dollar. It's the Ella Cuffin nail tips. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm not sure if I'm want to paint them or whatever. I'm not too sure yet, but I do have this nail polish here. Like I said, I'm not too sure, but I figured it out by the time we done this video. So you guys, I want to try these. This nails cost me like $2 and change. You guys, it's 80 nails in here, and like I said, you can do whatever you want to do with them, but I just want to try it for the first time today, and that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so I got it from my stash here. If you guys can remember this bin right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, where I got my nails, but I'll show you a better view later. Let me see. Yeah, I will show you guys a better view later on. So that's why I got it from. But as you can see, my nails, I already prepped my nails off camera, so they are looking like this. Okay, yeah, like this. So they're looking like this, you guys. Okay, so I use my my cuticle file. I cut down my nails here. I have my finishing polish here. I have my two nail glues here. You guys, I'm loving these two combinations that I did the last time, and they lasted longer. So I'm gonna do this trick again by using these two glue here. So yeah, so these two glues is what I'm going to be using, guys. Okay, and like I said, I'm not too sure about this, so we're gonna see. And I also use my filer to file, and I'm gonna be using this cotton balls and also my alcohol pads. Okay, so here I already picked out my nails here. As you can see here, it's already been picked out. So yes, so let me bring it closer so you can see them. Like so. Yeah, I already picked them out so that I won't have to go through that whole thing again, guys. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this again, and then before I start using my alcohol pad, and yeah, I'm just gonna use this. So I'm going to mute this video from here. Like I said, I have done this plenty times. So yes, guys. So all right. So this is my alcohol pads. I'm gonna use these to take out the shine off my nails, and yeah. After this, I'm going to buff my nails a little bit so that the nails can get a little bit tacky, you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this and just buff just a little, not much.